If you are looking for a cordless stick vacuum that is rechargeable, this is a great option. We love this one. I love how it is adjustable. It is super easy to adjust the height. So if your husband wants to vacuum, you can heighten it to a taller height for him, or you can lower it for you or for your kids. I like to put it on the lowest setting and let my kids run around and vacuum. They have a lot of fun doing it because it's so lightweight and they're cleaning. So this is a great one. There's so much versatility you can do with this vacuum. It comes with a 2-in-1 upholstery brush. It also comes with a long nozzle brush. Plus, you can also take this middle pole out and just put this part right up to here if you want to use it straight on your upholstery as well. So this is super versatile. It comes with a filter already inside the vacuum, plus it comes with one extra filter, plus it comes with hardware and the mount to hang it onto a wall. So if you wanted to put that mount on your wall, and then you can easily put the vacuum right on the mount and you can charge it from there, and there's just so much you can do with this. I like to mount mine in my laundry room, so it's always ready to go. The main body weighs only 3 pounds. The cordless vacuum cleaner for home is effortless to maneuver and handle without putting strain on your back and hands. The lightweight vacuum can be transformed into a handheld vacuum in seconds with 2-in-1 brush to clean curtains, furniture, and soft furnishings. And the crevice tool is suitable for cleaning hard to reach areas, window sills, frames, and car interiors. A true multifunctional stick vacuum. This is super simple to operate. Simply just push the button right there and it's going to turn on. You don't have to hold the button, it will just stay on. If you want to turn on max suction, there is a max button right here that you just push, and then you get max suction. To turn it off, you just simply press the button again. To empty it, you just simply hold it over the garbage can and press this button. This will release and all of the trash will come out. I absolutely love this stick vacuum. Thank you so much to the brand that sent this to me. I highly recommend it.